why 99% of affiliates will fail in 2025 with ClickBank affiliate marketing and Google pay-per-click ads. So if you're running Google ads, pay attention, okay? I will show you the new updates. Now, first of all, I have generated over 1,800 US dollars or 1,900 US dollars in affiliate earnings, as you can see over here, with 28 sales, 28 conversions, and 80 clicks. The reason why is because I understand buyers' clicks, buyers' intent versus curiosity clickers, which with zero intent. Okay, let me go straight into it. As you can see over here, the news on Google are that Google will let you hide ads, basically sponsored results in search after you have seen them. This is the big update, meaning ads in your search results might be a little less annoying now for some people, right? Now, the reason why is because if you're running ClickBank ads and if you're doing it the wrong way, like in 2019, 2017, you're going to lose a lot of time and a lot of money trying to make it work. Even if you're a local business owner or if you're a ClickBank affiliate. Let me show you why. Meaning that right now, average ads will literally disappear. They're going to be gone because users can collapse them. They can just hide them, and the bad news is that it will never show up again. So you have to be really careful to follow the right methods in 2025, going to 2026. So I will share with you exactly how. Let me show you over here, okay? The 3 hidden reasons you click when Google Ads fail. First of all, it's you may be targeting the wrong audience. There is no buyer's intent. You see, for the sale to happen, the person has to be in the problem state and in the solution state. If you're targeting curiosity browsers, let's say uh, people who are passing by the shopping mall, and only looking through the windows and never buy, there's the same thing here. You're wasting your time and money by not having the right mentor, the right coach that can help you one-on-one along the way. You see, money keyword blind spots, then maybe not the right tracking. All these 3 are the biggest reasons why your Google ads are failing in 2025. You see, now most of gurus on ClickBank are teaching you the wrong methods, the outdated methods that used to work in 2019, right? The difference is that I don't chase the hacks. What we do is real marketing psychology 101. Basically, real psychology where you can know, this audience is high emotional states, this audience is low emotional state, and also 5 stages of awareness. Okay, because most of gurus are teaching you the wrong methods. You get a lot of clicks, high click-through rate, but almost zero sales or zero sales at all. And then you think, oh, it's my fault. No, it's not your fault. It's not your fault because you've been following the wrong method. Now, up until today, you will have the right methods to be able to run your own affiliate business. You can see awareness levels matters. Okay, it's really important. Now, what you can actually do, you need to create ads that people remember, not just click once and then hide them, collapse them, right? You need the right buyer's intent. So you have to make creatives that feel human, not like AI, chat, GPT, robot like, right? People are human beings. And by AI going crazy right now, you will be able to position yourself differently with your ads without using AI. Okay? Because Google, YouTube, TikTok are all chasing down AI generated content. So it's really important to keep that in mind. Okay? Now, the mistake that 99% of ClickBank affiliates make is that they target product aware audiences, right? They use branded keywords on Google. That's the wrong thing. Because imagine if there is someone on the street right now and he doesn't know he have a problem, he doesn't know he needs a solution, and you offer him a weight loss supplement, of course he's not going to buy. Only you are going to lose money for click. And second of all, you're going to lose more time trying to do everything on your own. Because it's still possible to make money with ClickBank and affiliate marketing in 2025, going into 2026. But you need to have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, so you can avoid all these avoidable mistakes along the way. So you can avoid getting your ad account shut down or disabled. So you can avoid losing more money on ads without having the right strategy, fundamental framework to know how to do it step by step, right? You can see what gurus are teaching. For example, for Java Burn, that used to be very well known weight loss coffee on ClickBank, right? You see, what I taught in the $3,000, $4,000 courses is just buy Java Burn as a keyword, right? Lose weight fast, order Java Burn today. You see, 0 sales, $150 lost on Google Ads with the wrong method like this. So that's why I'm telling you, with Google pay-per-click ads, it's about solution-seeking audiences. They're already problem aware. That's why they go to Google search and look for how to get rid of my back pain, how to lose my weight. They know, but that's why you have to use right copywriting, right copy in your ad, right creative on your pre-sale page. You're pre-selling, you're not selling your products. Remember, that's why you're losing money. That's why you lost money, and it's not your fault. Because your idea is to sell weight loss supplement. No, we are not selling weight loss supplement. We are selling something else, which I show to my clients in my coaching program when we work one-on-one over the Zoom call, building Google ad campaigns, right? Very important. You see, we get it done together one-on-one in 30 minutes, 40 minutes, build out Google ad campaign, start slow to have sustainable results, meaning $100 per day, $350 per day, $1,000 a day or more. Sustainable, okay? Sustainable income. So if you want to know exactly how to do it, one-on-one in 2025, if you're not excuse maker, if you're action taker, if you're really serious and committed to spend 20 to 30 minutes per day doing this without showing your face, even if you are a beginner, even if you have tried affiliate marketing, ClickBank courses, and you have failed, lost money in the past, you can still do it in 2025, following the right proven strategy that is working for lots of other people's. So you can join my free Facebook group that I just newly created, where I'm sharing exact tips that's working with Google Ads, Facebook Ads, ClickBank affiliate marketing, and marketing psychology, mindset on a deeper level that actually converts and works. You can find me on my WhatsApp, my email, my Facebook Messenger, all is in description under this video.